How to hide Instagram notes from someone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Instagram application and then here go to your note and then simply write your note. And what you will have to do is, instead of sharing to followers you follow back, you have to share it in your close friends and then select all the people that you want to make sure that they find or see your notes, but simply do not select the person that you do not want to show your notes, and then tap on done and then share it. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.